Yo, guy, do you want to make some extra money online? I don't know how much is it, maybe 50, maybe 20, maybe 60. I don't know what the amount is, but today I'm going to show you a very clear review on one of the great way that people are making money online. So at the end of this video, you will see if this way is going to work for you or it won't. So stay to the end of this video, guys. Remember, my name is Seal, and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So what is the way I'm going to talk today with you? I'm going to talk about testing websites. You have probably heard about testing websites, how people are testing some great products. Let's say before I'm going to just share my screen with you and show you one of the testing website I know. Let's say here you are, a great testing website called Testing Time. You know, in this kind of website, you're going to test some products. It may be a software, it may be a physical or a digital product, maybe an interview. And at the end of this kind of things you're going to do, you're going to be paid. So if you take a look to this website, it says that when you start to test or when you test a new product, you can get paid up to $50 per hour. So it isn't bad. And you can also have many other advantages. So this is a website. If you want to get started, you can get started now. But the goal of this video is not to show you this website, but it's mostly about to give you a big view on what those websites are. So guys, let's take a look what I want to show with you. So you want to make $50 online with web testing website. Okay, so we're gonna see, is it legit? Is it for you guys? Because it may work for some people, but not work for you. And before we dive deep in this video, I want to tell you one thing, that this way of making money you will see it at the end of this video. You won't make passive income with this. In fact, I recommend it if you want to make some extra money now, if you want to buy something now, or if you want to take this money and invest it in another great product. In fact, that's the best use that you can do for that money you get from those websites. Invest it for other big projects, other passive income money. So let's dive in. So is it legit? Is it working? Is it still working? So first of all, I want to define what a testing website is. A testing website is, what is it? For those of you who don't know what is it, it's simply a place where companies want to get feedback of their products, and at the end they are willing to pay some money to every testers. So yeah, I have my product before I'm making on the public. I may want to a review. You know, this is the way people are making business right now. They just need reviews in order to improve the product, in order to make additional steps. So that's the way it is. So this stuff, great companies are behind it. So yeah, so let's talk about how much you can earn. So depending on the website you are visiting, there are not a standard price, but now I'm just giving you a range. In fact, I want to rectify, because you see, in the previous website, we saw that you can earn up to $50. So according to the website you are visiting, you can make either five, you know, because there are some very quick and easy testing that you will be able to do, but you can make also up to $50, guys. It's not simple, it's not few money. If you can make it a day, I think that you will be able to do a lot of great stuff. So that's it. And let's say, what are the pros? The pros of being or starting to make money with this method. You start to make money with testing website. The first of all, I want to say that the companies behind those websites are real company. So you don't have to fear that those stuff may be fake. Maybe there are some fake stuff, but in the case of the thing I'm going to show you, those companies are real. So they are real company who really need real feedbacks from real people. So that's the first pros of that. And the second thing, that you can be paid on your PayPal account. So yeah, it's an easy way for you to withdraw your money. You don't have to maybe show your all bank information and all those stuff. So I think that is a good pro. So the other thing that the money you earn there is really worth your time. So let's say you get $20 for 10 minutes. There are some programs who can give you $20 for 10 minutes. So it means that is $2 per minute. So you see that you are it's a good deal for you because your time has been spent well. So I think that this is another pro for starting with those websites, testing websites. The other thing, Steph, is that it's completely free to join. You don't have to spend any money, and also you don't have to possess any extra skill. So you don't have to just show any extra skills, school skill, I don't know what it is. So yeah, it's completely free skill, no extra skill is needed. So these are the pros that I really find great with those testing website. So now I'm going to show you for me the top I say the top 6, but in fact not the top 5, but let's say the top 6. Yeah, here the top 6 of website that you can just go for yourself and start to test. Yes, the big things, if you want to make more money with those websites, guess what? You need to start many accounts. In fact, if you have the time, and especially where people are locked down in their houses, if you have enough time, you can start to open an account on the first, on the second, on the third. Yeah, those websites will pay. And you know, the good thing is that those websites may pay you after 2 days. Some may pay you after 2 days, some after 3. Some may pay you at a certain date of the month. One of those websites will pay you at the 25th of each month. So yeah, this is the way it works, huh? And in those websites, you will see when you decide to sign up, they will ask you some of your information, and at the end of the day, they start to make a selection. So if you go there, it's free to join, and you're gonna show your information in order to be selected. And once you're selected, you will be sent an email where they will start to propose you some things that you may be deciding to test. So that's the way it works. So after that, let's see the cons, yeah, because everything is not shiny with those stuff, yeah. Okay. So what are the cons with those websites? So the first con that I found is that you get few tests a week. Yes, of course, you know, for me, it's a thing that you don't control it. If you want to make a passive income with that, you don't control it. You don't have full control of it because they decide when you start to you make money, because they decide when you get some tests, and sometimes you will get just few tests a week, few tests a month. So yeah, this is the first con I really find with those testing website. The second thing is that it may work with you or it may not, depending on who you work. But if you are uncomfortable in front of a camera, if you're uncomfortable in an online interview, yeah, it may not work for you, because in those websites, especially on user testing, if I don't mistake, they ask you to record yourself, just talk naturally, speak naturally. So if you are not comfortable with those way of communication, it may not work for you. So that is another con, guy. So the other thing is that you are required to give your personal phone number. So those of you who want to give their personal information, you may not be happy, you may not be willing to go further. So this is another con, guys. And yeah, at the end of the day, I want to say that it may work for some of you or it may not work. So for me, what is the best way to make money online? I will tell you the best way for me to make money online is by starting an affiliate marketing business. Yeah, affiliate marketing will give you the ability to get money passively. I mean that either you work or not, money will start to pour in. And I put a stop, guys. It won't happen at the night. It will take time, work, effort, energy. But if you are willing to do that, guess what? It will happen. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show with you. Don't forget my name is Sid, and here you are in Tom This Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, guess what? I put some great links below on the video. And if you want to know even more, just check my videos that will show some place around here. And yeah, and I tell you, bye bye guys, and take care.